everyone, welcome back to my channel Sweet Boutique by Aditi. I am Aditi Garware, your caking and baking friend, and I wish you all a very happy Navratri. I'm sure Dussehra is round the corner and you want to make something super special for your family. So today we are going to make a motichur laddu. Yes, you heard me right. You must be wondering, me and making a motichur laddu? You are going to see the twist when you actually see the video now. So let's go and let's make a beautiful motichur laddu. So for that, what I need is 2 vanilla cakes which are of the shape of a hemisphere. So we need 2 of these. I have used vanilla cake, and if you want to know the recipe of my vanilla sponge cake, please click on the link in the description. Also, I have some yummy motichur laddus with me. Oh my god, they look so good. Also, I have an orange vanilla sponge. I have just added orange color to my vanilla sponge recipe. So we have this as well. Then we have some yummy whipping cream. So I have already whipped some cream for you. And we are going to infuse this with traditional Indian flavors, and we are going to get this twist to the already yummy whipped cream. So I'm going to infuse the flavors of kesar. I'm going to infuse a few kesar strands. I totally love kesar, so I am going to add in as many as I like. You can add according to your choice. And I prefer resting this either overnight or at least for 2 to 3 hours if you are in a rush. So the kesar flavor gets infused so beautifully in your whipped cream. So I am going to add this to my already whipped cream. So let me take a portion in a bowl. And I'm going to infuse this into my whipped cream. So let's make kesar whipped cream. Mix it well so you get nice smooth consistency. Also, you can add a bit of yellow color if you wish, because I always believe you eat with your eyes first and then with your palate. So the cake has to also look very delicious, not just taste delicious but look delicious. This looks perfect. You can see the beautiful soft consistency. Let's go ahead. So we have the whipped cream ready. We have some chopped dry fruits over here. I'll be using some cashews, almonds, some pistachios. You can also add in walnuts or any dry fruits of your choice. Now, what am I going to make out of these? I am going to show you how I'm going to use these for my Indian twist. Let me take a bowl. I am going to crush the motichur laddus, and I'm going to use them as cake filling. And today we are going to make the realistic motichur laddu cake. So for that, first I would need to tort my hemispheres. Grabbing a knife, I'm going to level out this portion, and now I'm going to cut this into 2. So let's go. Now we repeat the same process for the second hemisphere. Taking the skin off, and let's cut this. So making 2 parts of the hemisphere. And now I'm going to just cut a small portion over there. And this cake is going to go inverted on the cake board. Hence, I cut it this way. So it fits up very well on the cake board. Now I have my kesar infused whipped cream. I have some motichur crushed over here. Also, I have some dry fruits, so I'm good to go. So I'm going to just apply a little of the cream on the cake board, and I'm going to use this portion, and this portion is going to sit here. So now I'm going to soak this layer with some sugar syrup. Here we go. Now I'm going to add a dollop of the kesar whipped cream. and I'm going to spread it with a palette knife. So not just this, now I'm going to add some crushed motichur laddus. Also, let's add some dry fruits. This is so indulgent, so sinful and so rich. Going to put this over here. Make sure you're putting it one on top of the other, and with the help of the whipped cream, I'm going to seal the edges. Let's seal the sides. You can use some whipped cream to seal the sides. So I am going to use a soft smoother or a soft scraper, you can call it anything. It's going to help me give the shape to my motichur laddu. Sugar syrup, then some whipping cream, then some motichur crushed laddus, and look, now repeat the drill. So now I'm going to use the bigger layer which is going to go on top of this layer. The smaller layer, which is the rounded layer, will go on the top. Seal it with some whipped cream. With the help of a smoother, let's give it the rounded finish. So let's repeat the drill. Here goes the sugar syrup, some cream, some crushed laddus, and some dry fruits. Now this is going to be the top portion. Pressing this in, and now I'm going to use some whipping cream to give the finishing look. So this is going to be like a crumb coat, but we need to shape this. So use the whipping cream to shape it well. Again, you can add some sugar syrup on top. So give it the final finishing with the scraper. So this is going to be a rough coat. Don't worry about the perfect finishing, because we are going to give the motichur laddu texture on this. And I'm going to show you how. So now I am going to refrigerate this for at least half an hour, and then I'm going to give it the motichur laddu texture. So let's refrigerate. Till the cake sets in the refrigerator, let's make the motichur laddu texture. How do we make it? We are going to use this orange vanilla sponge, and we are going to crumble it and use the crumbs as the texture. Isn't this interesting? I am very excited. Let's begin. Let me grab a bowl. Let me take this in, and let's just break this. Let's make some crumbs out of it. So if you remember, this is the same vanilla sponge. I have just added orange color to it, and you can use gel color, powder color, liquid color, anything of your choice. So the cake is out of the refrigerator. Let's begin. So I have some vanilla cake crumbs over here in orange color. I'm going to take these and I'm going to apply these over here. Gently. Don't worry, they're falling off, that's fine. They're going to stick to your whipping cream. Just gently press them in. Now, a motichur laddu always has this tiny cute little paper cup. How do we make it? We also want to add those realistic elements to our cake, right? So I am going to use a strip of butter paper, and just like a craft class, we used to learn these tiny techniques of origami in school. I'm going to do the same thing and give it the folds of a paper cup. So let's go. So now we are going to make some tiny folds like this. So keep on doing this until you reach the end. And now I'm going to open this. Ta-da! So this is going to go around the motichur laddu cake and it's going to give you the effect of a paper cup. Let's do it. And here goes my paper cup. I'm taking this butter paper and wrapping it around my motichur laddu cake, and behind I'm going to gently tape it. Now we are going to decorate this laddu with this beautiful silver leaf, also known as vark. So let's go and let's put it over here. This is so delicate. I'm just going to put this. Now I'm going to add some dry fruits over it and some dried rose petals. Isn't this looking exactly like a motichur laddu, and that too filled with so many motichur laddus? So this is super simple and yummy, the perfect twist to your cake recipe. I'm sure your family members are going to love this. So why don't you surprise them with a motichur laddu cake? And let me know in the comment sections how did you like the video. For more such innovative cake techniques, do follow me at Sweet Boutique by Aditi. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I wish you all a very happy Navratri. Bye.